Hello, my name is Henrietta. I'm from the UK and I'm doing the Cultural Arts and Heritage internship. The reason I wanted to do this, so before I've studied before and I haven't done it for a really long time, and I've been working in other areas and I really miss making, and I wanted this experience to kind of explore what I want to do in the future, and I think that's really helped me so far, which has been really nice. The best things about this about this particular internship is you're able to explore, you're able to have a lot of freedom. The teachers are really friendly, everyone's really nice, you meet a lot of local people and international people as well, and they really hone in on exploration. Sorry, I'm a bit ill. That's been really, really nice so far, and I'm able to do lots of different projects, so it's really made me excited for the future. The best things about being in Greece and Athens in particular, it's full of history, really exciting, especially someone who's doing cultural arts. And I do ceramics, marble sculpting, and clay modelling as well, which has been really, really great. Living with other people has been fun. At home I live on my own, so it's been quite exciting to live with different people from all over the world, and I've made lots of friends and we've had lots of good times. So yeah, it's been a really lovely experience, and I'd recommend this to anyone to just have a good time. And yeah, I think you'll love Athens if you come.